Today you are going to learn 10th class 7th chapter, that is coordinate geometry, and that exercise number 7.1. The rest of questions, it's a part 3 actually. Remaining 2 parts we have completed of this exercise. Till the question number 8 we have completed. Now we go for the question number 9. Question number 9, solutions. And see that the question number 9 is here. Find the points. Find the point on x-axis. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from a point 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. Minus 2 comma 9. Equidistances. So there is a given point, sir. The given points. The given points are the given points here A, that is 2 comma minus 5, and B, that is minus 2 comma 9. These 2 points are equidistant from a point. These 2 points which are equidistant from a point which is on x-axis. The point which is on x-axis which is equidistant from the point which is on x-axis is on x-axis equidistant from the point which is on x-axis is, what will the point which is, let us assume the point like a P which is on x-axis, and a P and a point x-axis పైన ఉంది అనుకుందాం. అది x-axis పైన ఉంది అంటే ఒక పాయింట్, if a point is on x-axis that means y equal to 0. The point which is on x-axis is y equal to 0. So ఇక్కడ x comma 0 అందాం, ఎందుకంటే y equal to will be 0. The point which is on x-axis, that is p x comma 0. Here we need to find out x value where y value is 0 only. If a point is which is on y axis అంటే అప్పుడు 0 comma y తీసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకు? అది y axis పైన ఉంటే y వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది, x వాల్యూ ఉండదు కదా. ఇక్కడ a point which is on x axis అంటే x వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది, y వాల్యూ ఉండదు. So this is what. And now the point P is equidistant from the given 2 points. Now the point P is equidistant from given points A and B. So here point P is equidistant from the given points A and B. అంటే A నుండి P కి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఉందో B నుండి P కి కూడా అంతే డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది. That means P is a exactly like mid point, like AP distance equal to B distance. Like suppose if you take here the AP distance, suppose here it is P and it is A and it is B. AP distance is equal to PB distance. AP distance is equal to PB distance, and this is the point P which is on the x-axis, x comma 0, which is equidistant from A and B points, which is equidistant from A and B points. So we get the distance of PA is equal to the distance of PB. The distance of PA is equal to the distance of PB. The distance of PA equal to the distance of PB. The distance of PA formula is that under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that equal to here also under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. On both the sides we will cancel the squares later. First we let us write here PA, కదా, P point ని A point values ఇక్కడ లొకేట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ PB nothing but P point and B points coordinates we have to write. P x comma 0, A that is 2 comma minus 5, x comma 0, and B is minus 2 comma 9. It is x1 y1. x2, y2, x1, y1, x2, y2. On both the sides you cancel the square roots, so that we get x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 that is 2 minus x1 that is x whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square minus 5 minus y1 is 0 whole square. Square and square roots నేను రెండు సైడ్ కూడా క్యాన్సిల్ చేసేసాను. సో ఇక్కడ x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1 9 minus 0 whole square. Now what can we do it? See, x minus 2 minus x whole square is actually right, plus here minus 5 minus 0, nothing but minus 5 whole square, that equal to here minus 2 minus x whole square. Okay, minus 2 minus x whole square. Then here 9 minus 0 is 9 whole square. Simple, we need to find out the x value. A x value is also ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఆ పాయింట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. If x value is 5, 5 comma 0 is the point. Okay, now see that here what can we do it? Very simple. Let's go for, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Okay, this I will write minus 2, no, this minus 2 I will write like this. Minus 2 minus x whole square. Minus 2 is separate this one. So it is a and this is b. A minus b. A value is minus 2, b value is x. Here a minus b. A value is 2 plus 2 and b value is x. So here we use the formula a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Let us extend the either side the same formula method. 2 square, first a square, nothing but 2 square minus 2 into a is nothing but 2 here into b that is x plus b square nothing but x square plus here 5 square minus 5 whole square is 25 is equal. Here a square nothing but minus 2 whole square minus 2 into a that is minus 2 into b that is x plus b square that is x square plus 9 square value is 81. 9 square value is 81. Let us simplify again. 2 square value is 4 minus 2 to the 4 into x 4x plus x square plus 25 plus x square plus 25 minus 2 whole square 4 and here minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4 into x, so plus 4x plus x square plus 81 x square plus 81. See that here now this x square term will write first x square minus 4x and here 4 plus 25 that is plus 29 is equal to, here also we do the same, x square term that is x square plus 4x plus here 4 plus 81 that is 85. Now this all the variables will transfer one side and this constant term will transfer the other side. So we get x square minus 4x already LHS side plus x square become minus x square plus 4x become minus 4x that equal to 85 minus 29 because it is a plus 29 in the LHS side. Plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Minus 4x that is minus 8x equal to here 85 minus 29 that is 56. Here minus 8 is multiplying, so if you transfer the other side minus 8 is divided the 56. 8 ones are 8 sevens are, so x equal to minus 7. X equal to minus 7. It is not asking, they are not asking you x value. They are asking to find out the point on the x axis. A point on the x axis. Therefore, the point on the x axis is, therefore, the point on x axis is equal to p x comma 0 no. Here x value is what? The point p minus 7 comma 0. The point is p 7 comma 0 or 7 comma 0. This is what. Very simple solution. And we go for the next solution. The question number 10. Okay, the question number 10. If the distance between the 2 points x comma 7 and 1 comma 15 is 10, then find the value of x. The distance between 2 points are given here. Very simple solution is. The distance between the 2 points, the distance between 2 points is equal to the 2 points. What are the 2 points? The distance between the 2 points, that is A x comma 7, the point A x comma 7 and the point B. We have to take one point as A, the other point as a B. 1 comma 15. 1 comma 15 is 10. Is 10. అంటే ఈ A కు B కు డిస్టెన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే 10 వచ్చిందంట. ఓకే, ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ AB ఈక్వల్ టు ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ AB is equal to 10 units. The distance of AB formula here under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that equal to 10. Here let us write the point A here and comma point B here. Point A is x comma 7, point B is 1 comma 15. So here it is a x1 y1 x2 y2. Let us substitute here. So see, under root of x2 minus x1, 1 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1, 15 minus 7 whole square, that equal to what? You got 10. When square you transfer, square root if you transfer, that becomes a square. Square root ni transfer cheste square avutundi, or not on squaring on the both the sides chesina sabbe. Okay, squaring on both the sides chesina sabbe. Square root ni mamte square avutundi, or squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides we get ఏమొస్తుంది అప్పుడు స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 1 minus x whole square plus 15 minus 7 is 8 whole square. This whole square, this square చేసాం. Here also we have done a square. Square and square root we can cancel. అందుకే ఏం చెప్పాను, ఇలా ఒక స్టెప్ ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది. స్క్వేర్ రూట్ పంపిస్తే స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది, అది 10 స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ ఉన్నదాన్ని ఇలా రాసుకుంటాం. Now here in this we can write in the form of again a minus b whole square form, that equal to a square minus 2 into a into b, 2ab plus b square. Here a square nothing but 1 square minus 2 into a value is 1, b value is x plus b square nothing but x square. Yes, now plus a2 square, that is 64, equal to here 10 square, that is 100. 1 square value 1 minus 2 into 1 into x, that is 2x plus x square plus 64 equal to 100. Now this we write in the standard form, like see, x square minus 2x, here 64 plus 1, 65 equal to 100. This 100 will bring this side, x square minus 2x plus 65 minus 100 equal to 0. Now here you subtract the 65 minus 100, x square minus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0. Minus 35 equal to 0. And see that we got a quadratic equation. We need to find out the x value. Here x value find out cheyali. Quadratic equation form ochindi. So splitting middle method or factorization method. X square into minus 35 x square. How can we write this 35? That means 7 5 is 35, huh? 5 7 is 35, x into x square, and minus we require, so minus we have to put it here. 5x minus 7x is minus 2x, balanced. X square plus 5x minus 7x minus 35 equal to 0. In this x you take out common factor, x plus 5 will be left over. From what we have to take out common factor from this, so that we get x plus 5 as a common factor. So minus 7 we have to take out. Minus 7 into x minus 7x. Minus into plus minus. 7 5 is 35, balanced. Now x minus 5 is same. So let us take, sorry, x plus 5 is same. So x plus 5 you take out common. X minus 7 equal to 0. Hence you will get here x plus 5 is equal to 0 and x equal to minus 5. And x minus 7 equal to 0, where x equal to plus 7. X equal to plus 7. Now here the value of x we got it. The value of x we got it like 7 or minus 5. Yes. Therefore the value of x equal to minus 5 or 7. Minus 5 or 7. Please observe this carefully now. I hope you understood this. Now we go for the next question. Question number 11. Here we have to split the middle term. X value is, there are two chances here. X value రెండు విధాలుగా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం. X equal to minus 5 or 7. Quadratic equation కు మనం 2 zeros ఉంటాయి కదా. Quadratic polynomial having 2 zeros, quadratic equation having 2 roots. Then we know that already. Yes. Then we go for question number 11. Find the value of y. Find the value of y for which the distance between the points P 2 comma minus 3 and Q 10 comma y is 10. Same model question like a 10th question only. The distance between the 2 points is given 10. In the before question we have got the value of x. Here we need to find out the value of y. So the distance between the 2 points is, solution number 11. The distance between 2 points, the distance between 2 points P 2 comma minus 3 and Q 10 comma y is 10 is given. Now let us find out 10 units. The distance between the point P and Q. The distance of point P and Q. PQ distance equal to, we got 10 units. The distance formula we know that x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that equal to 10. Okay, this square will transfer this side, that become a square root. Finished. Now here P value we have to write, P is 2 comma minus 3 and Q point we have to write, that is 10 comma y. So it is a x1 y1 x2 y2. So here we will be substituting here, already square root we have transferred the side, that become a square. Okay, is square root not పంపించేసాం. x2 that is 10 minus x1 that is 2 whole square plus y2 that is y minus y1 that is minus of minus 3 that is plus 3 whole square equal to 10 square. The square root become a square. Simple. Okay. Now 10 minus 2, it is a 8 square plus here y plus 3 whole square equal to, it is a 10 square is 100. But it is in the form of now a plus b whole square that equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. 8 square is a 64 plus here y square plus 2 into y into 3 2 into ab y into 3 plus y square that is 3 square equal to 100. So here 64 plus y square plus 2 3s are 6 into y 6y plus 3 square is 9. This plus 100 also you bring this that become a minus 100 equal to 0. Here y square plus 6y and see 64 plus 9 that is 73. 73 minus plus 73 minus 100 equal to 0. Subtract this now. Y square plus 6y minus 7 and 27 minus 27 equal to 0. Minus 27 equal to 0. Now let us split the middle. Y square into minus 27 that is minus 27 y square. We have to get the middle term as a 6. So 27 will get 3 9s are 27. Y into y, y square. Y into y, y square. And here we need minus and here we need plus. So we keep minus here. 9y minus 3y is plus 6y balanced. So here y square, this plus 6y will write as a minus 3y plus 9y minus 27 equal to 0. In this two term, let us take out y common factor, y minus 3 will be left, plus 9 to take out common factor, y minus 3 equal to 0. Then y minus 3 is we take out common, then y plus 9 equal to 0. Hence here y minus 3 equal to 0, y plus 9 equal to 0, hence y equal to 3 and y equal to minus 9. Therefore, the value of y equal to 3 or minus 9. 3 or minus 9, and this is a solution. I hope you understood this 11th solution. Let us go for the 12th one. Next solutions, 12th one. 12th problem solution. Let us see the question number 12. Find the radius of this circle. Find the radius of a circle whose center is 3 point, 3, 2. At the center is at the point of 3, 2. ఒక పెద్ద గ్రాఫ్లో 3, 2 అనే పాయింట్ దగ్గర రేడియస్ సెంటర్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ ఉంది. సో ఇట్స్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ ది minus 5, 6. Then we need to find out the radius. Okay, so there is a one circle like this, and here the center, suppose center is O, that is 3, minus 2. 3, 2. The center is 3, 2. Then pass it through the point 5, find the radius. 5 passes through the point of 5, minus 5, 6. Point, suppose it is a it is minus 5, 6. So the center point, and it is passes through the point of A minus 5, 6. Now this is the radius we need to find out. So if you find out the distance of OA, that become a radius of this circle. Therefore the radius of the circle, the radius of the circle, the radius of the circle is nothing but a OA. That equal to, we use the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, where O value is, that is 3, 2 here, center of the circle, and A value is that minus 5, 6. It is x1 and y1, x2 and y2. Where here we write x2, that is minus 5, minus x1 is that 3 whole square plus y2 is that minus 6 minus y1 is that 2 whole square. Let us see that minus 5 minus 3, that is minus 8 whole square, plus 6 minus 2 is 4 whole square. So here under root of 8 square, it is 64, plus 4 square is 16. So here under root of 80 units, under root of 80 units. So now the radius of the circle, is under root of 80 units, or not this 80 we can write as in 4 into 40 or 16 5s are 80 units. So this can be right 60 root 60 into root 5 units. So root 60 value 4 root 5 units. Therefore the radius of the circle are equal to 4 root 5 units. 4 root 5 units. So I hope you understood this. Now let's go for the next question here. The next question is based on how can you draw a triangle with the give a reason. So is a triangle is possible or not? How to decide a triangle is possible or not? We have some properties of a triangle like sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. ఏవైనా రెండు సైడ్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే ట్రయాంగిల్ అవి థర్డ్ సైడ్ కన్నా పెద్దగా ఉండాలి, అయితే ట్రయాంగిల్ పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది, లేకపోతే ట్రయాంగిల్ అనేది పాసిబుల్ కాదు. సో హియర్ లెట్ us see. Yes, can you draw a triangle with the vertices of 1, 5, 5, 8 and 13, 14? So let us see. Let us see the given points. A 1, 5, B 5, 8, C 13, 14 is a triangle. Can you draw a triangle with these vertices and give a reason? Can we draw a triangle with these given vertices or not? Let us see. So to know either triangle is possible or not, we should know that sum of any two sides should be greater than third side. Suppose let us see it is a triangle ABC. Let us add any two sides, the sum should be greater than the third side. So it should be satisfied. So first of all let us find out the distance of AB, BC and AC first. The distance of AB side, the distance of AB side equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here point A is 1, 5, point B is 5, 8, x1, y1, x2, y2, and AB equal to under root of x2 minus x1 5 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 8 minus 5 whole square, where AB equal to the distance is 5 minus 1 is 4 square plus 8 minus 5 it is 3 square. So AB equal to, here we write 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9, that is under root of 25, that is equal to 5 units. The AB equal to 5 units. The distance of AB side is 5 units suppose. Let us see. Then the distance of BC let us take. The distance of BC let us take. Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here B point is that 5, 8 and C point is that 13, 14. x1, y1, x2, y2. So here BC equal to under root of x2 minus x1 13 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 14 minus 8 whole square that is equal to 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. 8 whole square plus 14 minus 8 that is 6. 14 minus 8 is 6 whole square. 8 square is 64 plus 6 square is 36. 64 plus 36 is under root of 10. Nothing but under root of 100. That's 64 plus 36 under root of 100. Under root of 100 is 10 units. Therefore, the BC equal to 10 units. Okay. BC equal to ఇక్కడ ఎంత వచ్చింది 10 వచ్చింది. Then AC కూడా find out చేద్దాం. The distance of AC x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The point A is 1 comma 5 and point C that is 13 comma 14. x1 y1 x2 y2. Then here AC equal to under root of x2 minus x1 that is 13 minus 1 whole square plus 14 minus 5 whole square, where AC equal to under root of 13 minus 1 is 12 square plus 14 minus 5 is 9 square. That equal to AC equal to under root of 12 square 144 plus 9 square is 81. That equal to 1 plus 4 is 5, 8 plus 2 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 carry and 1 plus 1 is 2. Under root of 225 is 15. AC equal to 15 units. AC equal to 15 units. So here it is 15. Yes. Sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. Here 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 is not greater than the 15. So here sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than third side, but here it's not possible that with the given it's not possible here. ఎందుకు పాసిబుల్ కాలేదు? సమ్ ఆఫ్ టూ సైడ్స్ AB plus BC, the AB distance plus BC distance is not greater than the AC distance. So therefore with the given vertices we cannot form a triangle. So with the given points cannot form a triangle. We cannot form a triangle. I hope you understood. Sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. Remember, children. Now we go for the question number 14. Go for the question number 14. See that the question number 14 and also the question number 16 are both are same. A point which is x comma y which is equidistant from the given 2 points. We need to find out the relation between the x and y. The relation with the x and y we have to find out. This 14th one and the 16th one very similar. Both are same model questions. Let us solve these both questions and see. Find the relation between the x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point minus 2 comma 8 and minus 3 comma minus 5. So we need to find out that the point, let us assume the point P x comma y, the point P x comma y, which is equidistance from which is equidistance distance from points A minus 2 comma 8 and B minus 3 comma minus 5. Here P is a equidistance from the point A and B. ఈ P అనేది పాయింట్ A కు B కు ఈక్వల్ డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉంది. సో ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ PA ఈక్వల్ టు ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ PA is equal to the distance of PB. The distance of PA equal to under root of formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here we write P value, that is x comma y. A value is that minus 2 comma 8. Here P value is x comma y. Here P value is that minus 3 comma minus 5. PA, so P and A value PB, so P value and B value points. x1 y1 x2 y2, x1 y1 x2 y2. On both the sides we can cancel the square roots. So substitute the values of x1 y1 x2 y2 on the both the sides. So here x2, that is minus 2, x1 is x whole square plus here y2, that is 8 minus y1 is y whole square, that equal to here x2 minus x1 minus 3 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus y whole square. You can write like this. Now here, as I told you in the before, how to write this, all are in this a minus b whole square form. A minus b whole square in the sense, see this minus 2, we can write like minus 2 minus x whole square plus 8 minus y whole square, that equal to minus 3 minus x whole square. ఈ మైనస్ 3ని ఒక బ్రాకెట్లో పెట్టుకోండి, ఏవైతే మైనస్లో ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ బ్రాకెట్లో పెట్టుకోండి. minus 5 minus y whole square. ఇప్పుడు అన్నీ ఏ ఫామ్లో ఉన్నాయి, a minus b whole square form, that equal to a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square form. Let us change this minus 2 whole square minus 2 into a b అంటే x plus b square, ఇది అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ a square nothing but 8 square minus 2 into ab, that is 8 into y plus b square, that is y square. Here is finished. Here equal to minus a square minus 3 whole square minus 2 into a, that is minus 3 into b, that is x, yes, plus b square, that is minus x whole square. Now here again this will expand in the a minus whole square form. A square, that is minus 5 square minus 2 into a, that is minus 5 into b, that is y, plus y square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square form we have expanded this all. Now what we do, let us see here, minus 2 whole square is a plus 4, minus into minus plus 4 into x is 4x, 2 into 2 is 4, minus into minus plus 2 into 2 is 4 into x, plus here x square plus here 8 square, that is 64 minus 2 into 8, that is 16y plus y square, that equal to minus 3 square, that is 9, minus into minus plus 2 3 is a 6 into x, 6x plus x square plus minus 5 whole square, that is 25 minus into minus plus 2 5 is 10 into y, 10y plus y square. Now what we have to do is see, here plus x square, here plus x square, here plus y square, here plus y square. What we used to do actually, see, the plus terms will use to bring this side, that become a minus. If plus x square comes this side, that become a minus x square. Then this plus x square, that minus x square we used to cancel. Or not, if the positive signs, if both are positive or both are negative on the either side of the equation, then we can cancel directly. Plus x square cancel on the either side of the equation. Plus y square also cancel on either square of the equation. Now what we have to do, let us simplify now. First we write the x term 4x, here minus 16y plus 4 plus 64, that is 68, is equal to, here what is left, 6x plus 10y, 6x plus 10y, 9 plus 24, that is 25, that is 34. Yes. Now here, this both the x terms will transfer this side and constant term will transfer the other side. So what happened, let us see now. Here 68 minus 34, this plus 34 become minus 34, that is equal to, see, now already here 6x plus 10y, 6x plus 10y, and here plus 4x become minus 4x, and here minus 16y become a plus 16y, plus 16y. Let us see what happens now. 68 minus 34 is 34, that is equal to 6x minus 4x is 2x, plus 10y plus 16y, that is plus 26y. From this, we will take out 2 as a common factor. If you take out from this common factor, so what happens? X plus 13y will be left, that is equal to, here this is 34. This 2 is multiplying here, you transfer the other side, that become a division. X plus 13y equal to 34 by 2, 2 ones are 270s. Therefore, the relation between the x and y of this point x comma y is, the relation between this x and y will be x plus sum of that x and 13 times of y equal to 17. X plus 13 times of y will be give us 17. That is the relation between these two given points. In the same way, children, let us go for the 16th question. Later we go for the 15th one. Now the 16th one, let us solve it. The 16th question. What is the 16th question? See once. Find the relation between the x and y again, such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5. So then the distance of this p is equidistant from the 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. So this p is a equidistance from a and b, no? So the distance of a pa equal to distance of pb. It will be same again. So let us change this and we will substitute the values again. We substitute the values in the same way and then let us find out the relation between the x and y. Let us find out the relation between x and y. Here it is p x comma y a 7 comma 1. Here p x comma y b 3 comma 5. It is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. Let us substitute that. X2 minus x1, 7 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1, 1 minus y whole square, that is equal to x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1, 5 minus y whole square. Here all these are in the same formula. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let us expand in this form. So here it comes 7 square minus 2 into 7 into x plus x square. It is finished. Now this one 1 square minus 2 into 1 into y plus y square, that equal to, now next this one 3 square minus 2 into 3 into x plus x square plus next one 5 square that is. Okay, 5 square minus 2 into 5 into y plus y square. See 7 square is 49 minus 2 sevens are 14 into x, 14x plus x square plus 1 square value 1 minus 2 into y that is 2y. 2 into y is 2y plus y square equal to 3 square value 9 minus 2 3s are 6 into x, 6x plus x square plus 5 square value 25 minus 2 5s are 10 into y, 10y plus y square. See now here x square is there, here x square is there. Can I cancel? Plus y square on either sides we have cancelled. Now let us write here minus 14x is left and y term that is minus 2y is left. Next constant 49 plus 1 15 that is equal to here minus 6x minus 10y. Then after here 9 plus 25 that is again 34. So see here minus 14. So this minus 14 will transfer this side, that become a plus 14x, and minus 2y will transfer the side, that become a plus 2y, and this 34 will transfer the other side, that become minus 34. Here 50 minus 34 is equal to minus 6x minus 10y, here plus 40x and here plus 2y. Let us do it here. We get 16 equal to 50 minus 34, 16 equal to 14x minus 6x. 14 minus 6 that is 8x plus now 2 minus 10y, 2y minus 10y that is minus 8y. Yes, 8x minus 8y equal to 16 you got it, yes. 8x minus 8y equal to 16 we got. 8 if you take out common factor, x minus y equal to 16. This 8 we transfer this side, x minus y equal to 16 by 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are, therefore the relation between the x and y of this point x comma y is, the difference between them will be give us 2. The difference will be give us 2, x minus y equal to 2. The same model question now see. In this way we can complete this, children. Now we go for the 15th problem, and that will be a last problem now in this exercise. See, these two are the important questions, the 14th question and 16th questions. 14th and 16th questions, finding relation between the x and y. Okay, now we go for the question number 15. See that question number 15 in your textbook. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated in the points of A, B, C, D as shown in the figure. Here figure can be seen in your textbook, children. Yes, see that figure. In this figure you can see on the x axis, y axis, every point you can see it. That means by these numbers at the horizontal line and vertical line there will be numbers, no? At the based on that numbers we can say the position of the A, B, C, D, these points. So mind it. Yes, now Zarina and Pani walked into the class. After observing a few minutes, Zarina asked Pani, "Don't you notice that ABCD in a square?" That means in a class 4 children were sitting in a ABCD form as shown in the figure here. ABCD 4 children are sitting, and Zarina and Pani are two of the other friends are getting into the class, and they are observed that. And Zarina told to the Pani, "Don't you notice that ABCD in a square?" That means the students are sort in a square shape. Who? Zarina asked to Pani. Then Pani disagrees and using distance formula decide who is correct and why. వాళ్ళు స్క్వేర్ షేప్లో కూర్చున్నారా లేదా. జరీనా అంటుంది స్క్వేర్ షేప్లో వాళ్ళు కూర్చున్నారు అని చెప్పేసి ఉంటుంది. పానీ అంటున్నారు లేదు అని. ఎవరు కరెక్ట్ అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, let us find out. First of all, let us know that what are the points of this A, B, C, D in this. The A point is C, on the x axis it is a 3 and y axis it is 4, 3 comma 4. The point A, okay, the point A is 3 comma 4, and point B you have to locate now. What is the point B here? That is 6 and 7, 6 comma 7, and point C is that point C is 9 comma 4, that is 9 comma 4, and point D at last, that is 6 comma 1, 6 comma 1. Now we have to show that either they are in square or not. What is the properties of a square? All the sides are equal and diagonals also should be equal, then they are will be in a square. So find out the distance formula. We'll use the distance formula and we'll find out either it is in square or not. If it is square, if they are sitting in a square, all these four sides should be equal along with the diagonals should be also equal. Then first of all we go for the sides. Sides gurinchi chudam. Already we have solved many problems on this. So the distance of AB. AB equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So A point is 3 comma 4. Here B point is 6 comma 7. Where AB distance equal to, it is x1 y1 x2 y2 under root of, here 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. Then AB equal to under root of 3 square plus 4 minus 7 minus 4 is 3 square, that equal to under root of 9 plus 9. So here AB equal to under root of 18. Under root of 18 can be written as 9 into 2. So 9 into 2 is the same 3 root 2. AB equal to 3 root 2 units. 3 root 2 units. 3 root 2 units we got it. Let us find out the BC. The distance of BC equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The point B is that 6 comma 7 and point C is 9 comma 4. It is x1 y1 x2 y2, where BC equal to under root of x2 9 minus 6 x2 minus x1 9 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1 4 minus 7 whole square. Yes, BC equal to under root of 9 minus 6 is 3 square plus 4 minus 7 is minus 3 square, that equal to under root of 9 plus 9 will give us under root of 18. Under root of 18 value just now we got it, that is 3 root 2 centimeters. Sorry, 3 root 2 units. Now next we go for the distance of CD. That equal to the distance of CD is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square. అన్నిటికీ ట్రై చేయాలి, గుడ్డిగా రాసేయకండి, ఎందుకంటే ఒక్కటి కూడా తప్పు వచ్చినా కూడా అది స్క్వేర్ అని కాదు. సో అన్నిటికీ డిస్టెన్స్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి. డిస్టెన్స్ సేమ్ ఉంటేనే అది స్క్వేర్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయగలుగుతారు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ x1 y1 x2 y2. CD ఈక్వల్ టు అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ x2 minus x1 6 minus 9 6 minus 9 whole square plus y2 minus y1 1 minus 4 whole square 1 minus 4 whole square. So let us give us this 6 minus 9 is minus 3 whole square, 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square, that is CD equal to 9 plus 9, that equal to root 18, root 18 equal to 3 root 2. Therefore CD equal to also 3 root 2 units, where CD equal to also you got 3 root 2 units. Then DA equal the distance of AD equal to or DA equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, where A value here, A point is 3 comma 4, and B point is that 6 comma 1, x1 y1 x2 y2, where AD equal to AD distance is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 6 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 1 minus 4 whole square, that equal to 6 minus 3, that is 3 square, plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square. Hence AD equal to under root of 9 plus 9, that equal to root 18. Root 18 equal to 3 root 2. Where AD equal to also we got 3 root 2 units. So all the sides are equal. So if all sides are equal, we can say that ABCD they are sitting in a square. No, we cannot decide that. So we have to go for the diagonals also. If diagonals also equal, the diagonals also AC and BD. This AC and BD diagonals also we need to check. AC diagonal and BD diagonal. Where AC diagonal distance, the distance of AC first. The distance of AC equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Where point A is 3 comma 4 and point C is 9 comma 4. x1 y1 x2 y2, that equal to under root of here 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. So as we can write here, 9 minus 3 whole square is 6 square, 9 minus 3 is 6 whole square plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled, 0 square. Yes, 6 square is root 36, that value is 6. Therefore AC equal to 6 units. AC equal to we got 6 units. Then let us find out the distance of BD. The distance of BD line segment, that is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, where B is a 6 comma 7 and D is a point where 6 comma 1, x1 y1 x2 y2, that equal to under root of 6 minus 6 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 6 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. See that 6 minus 6 whole square, when you do it, you will get that is 0 square plus 1 minus 7 is minus 6 whole square, that equal to here 0 plus 6, that is 6 square is 36. Root 36 equal to 6. Therefore the BD equal to 6 units. BD equal to 6 units. So what we can say here, the sides, all the sides AB, all the sides are equal. That is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and diagonals, the diagonals are also equal. Diagonals also equal. AC equal to DD. So the students A, B, C, D, they are sitting in a square. The students A comma B comma C comma D are seated in a square. They sort in a square shape. So I will agree with who said that they are sitting in a square first. Who? That is Zarina. So I will agree with. So I will agree with who here? Zarina's statement. Zarina's statement. Zarina's statement. So I hope you understood this exercise clearly. Practice properly, complete this exercise based on distance formula only. Go through the distance formula and get practice properly so that there will be no mistakes while substituting values. You see either it is positive one or negative one. Accordingly we have to substitute, then slowly you do the solutions, you will get these answers. There will be nothing in this exercise. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching this, children. Thank you. Bye.